Hello and welcome. My name is Kasuse Mustafa. I invite you to join me on an extraordinary journey into the heart of Africa, to a land brimming with life and vibrant color. We are in Uganda, a nation often called the Pearl of Africa, and for very good reason. It is here, nestled among shimmering lakes, vast savannas, and dense ancient forests, that one of the planet's most spectacular gatherings of avian life takes place. Uganda is home to an astonishing diversity of bird species, over 1,000 in fact. This represents more than half of all the bird species found on the entire African continent. Our quest begins in the quiet, sprawling wetlands. Here, standing perfectly still like a statue carved from ancient stone, is our first subject, the shoebill. Its scientific name, Baleniceps rex, means king whalehead. With its massive, clog-shaped bill and piercing reptilian stare, the shoebill looks like a creature from the age of dinosaurs. Patience is the shoebill's greatest weapon. It can remain motionless for hours, waiting for the slightest ripple in the water, then with an explosive sudden collapse, it lunges forward. Its powerful bill clamps down with formidable force. From the quiet stillness of the swamps, we now turn our attention to the great lakes and rivers, where a powerful and evocative cry echoes across the water. It is the call of the African fish eagle, a symbol of pride and natural majesty, and the national bird of Uganda. It snatches its prey with breathtaking precision and power. The African fish eagle's presence signifies a healthy aquatic ecosystem, and its haunting, ringing call serves as a constant reminder of untamed beauty. We venture now into the dense canopy of Uganda's rainforest, a world of deep greens and dappled sunlight. Here, a flash of brilliant color reveals one of the forest's most spectacular residents, the great blue turako. Their loud guttural calls are a characteristic sound of the forest, a series of deep rolling cocks that reverberate through the trees. So, we move now from the forests to the wide, open grasslands and wetlands of the savanna. Here, walking with a grace and elegance that is almost balletic, we find the gray-crowned crane. The cranes are famous for their elaborate dancing rituals, bowing, jumping, and wing flapping that reinforce lifelong bonds. Deep within the ancient trees of Uganda's forests, a highly intelligent and social creature makes its home. It is the African gray parrot, renowned for remarkable cognitive abilities and its capacity to mimic human speech. In the wild, they gather in large, noisy flocks. Their intelligence helps them remember food locations and communicate complex information. Observing them in their habitat, one gets a profound sense of their awareness, a reminder that animal minds are complex beyond our imagining. We must now tread very quietly and look very carefully, for our next bird is one of the most sought after and elusive on the entire continent, the green-breasted pitta. A brilliant emerald breast, a sky-blue wing patch, and a fiery crimson belly, it truly looks like a rainbow brought to life. Returning to the tranquil, sun-drenched wetlands, we observe a bird that appears to perform miracles, the African jacana. Its long toes distribute weight, males incubate eggs and care for chicks, a charming sight to behold. Not all of nature's creations are conventionally beautiful, but all play a crucial role. Meet the marabou stork, a giant among birds. Often seen scavenging near villages or dumps, they are also able hunters, part of the ecosystem's cleanup crew that prevents disease. Though lacking the color of a turako, the marabou is a vital and fascinating survivor in Uganda's landscapes. A loud whooshing sound announces the arrival of the black and white casqued hornbill. Its enormous casque and powerful bill make the bird's profile instantly recognizable. The female seals herself in the nest hollow. The male passes food through a narrow slit, a remarkable parental strategy. For our final bird, we return to the dense papyrus swamps, a habitat of specialists. Hidden among the tall stalks is the papyrus gonolek, jet black on the back, fiery scarlet on the breast, and a bright yellow crown. Shy and hard to see, often the only clue to its presence is a beautifully synchronized duet heard ringing from the papyrus. From the ancient gaze of the shoebill to the hidden beauty of the papyrus gonolek, we have witnessed but a fraction of Uganda's diversity. Please, share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. If you enjoyed this checklist, consider subscribing. More discoveries await. Thank you for joining me, Kasuse Mustafa, on this adventure. Until next time, keep looking and keep wondering.